Oh, pili ka. Oh, saan nila? Oh, teeth. Oh, where's your teeth? Can you point your teeth? That's your teeth. Teeth, Ate Jinky. Can you point teeth, Ate Jinky? Teeth. Point, Ate Jinky, teeth. Teeth. Gabriel, look, Ate Jinky. That's my teeth. Or the next. Oh? Diyan ba siya? Diyan ba siya? Oh, fine. Saan? Oh. What's that? Tongue. Oh, where's your tongue? Can you point your tongue? Asa la?
Okay.
That's you point your tongue. Yeah. Tongue. You. Point your tongue. Sa loob ng tongue. Ngipin man yung nag-point mo. O, next. What's that? Eyes. Where's your eyes? Oy, nose yan eh. Eyes. Where's your eyes? Can you point your eyes? Nose yan. Eyes. Very good. That's your eyes. How about eyes, Ate Jinky? Can you point my eyes? Eyes, Ate Jinky. Where's eyes, Ate Jinky? It's me. This is my eyes. How? Next. Nose. Oh, where's your nose? Can you point your nose? Very good. How about nose, Ate Jinky? Nose, Ate Jinky. Where's nose, Ate Jinky? Can you point my nose? That my nose. Oh, next. Mouth. Where's your mouth? Can you point your mouth? Very good. That's your mouth. How about mouth, Ate Jinky? Gabriel, mouth, Ate Jinky. Can you point my mouth? My mouth. Ate Jinky mouth. Where's? That's my mouth. Next. Hair. Where's your hair? Very good. How about hair, Ate Jinky? That's my hair. The next. Ear. Where's your ear? Oh, ear. This is your ear. How about Ate Jinky ear? Very good. This is my Gabriel. This is my ear. How about next? Bro. Where's your bro? Oh, this is bro. Bro, this is your kilay. How about Ate Jinky kilay? That's my kilay. Next. Forehead. Oh, where's your forehead? Ay, nose yan eh. Forehead. This is your forehead. How about Ate Jinky forehead? This is my forehead. Oh. Cheek. Nabubulol ako. Pisngi na lang. Where's the pisngi? That's my pisngi. How about you? Pisngi mo. Saan pisngi mo? Mouth yan eh. Pisngi. This is your pisngi. That's my pisngi. Look at Ate Jinky. That's my pisngi. That's your pisngi.